video presentation on world's first master degree in emotional intelligence and life coaching, which makes you a successful master coach. Coaching is one of the fastest growing and highest paid industries in the world. Let us understand the size and business opportunity for you in India. Life coaching consists of executive coaching, business coaching, and relationship coaching. Indian coaching industry size is 10,000 crore rupees, and it is right now managed only by 200 master coaches. That means per master coach there is a business opportunity of minimum 50 crore per annum, and there is a great demand and supply gap. The life coach demand is 100 times more than the supply. The average income abroad a master coach gets is around 50 lakh rupees per annum and more. But in India, like developing country, a master coach earns minimum rupees 10 lakh per annum, and that too while working part time. Why? Because coaches are available during the evening time or weekend. So life coach, a master coach, necessarily continues his own profession while doing a practice of master coaching in the evening and weekends and earning 10 lakh rupees per annum by investing only 5 hours per week. Not 5 hours per day, it is 5 hours per week. Being one of the fastest growing industries, of course, there are many certifications available in the domain of life coaching. But unfortunately, not each and every certificate will make you a successful master coach. So let us understand what is the difference between a normal certificate coach and a master coach. Let me share with you my personal experience as a certified life coach. I became certified life coach in year 2014-15. But I could not start my executive life coaching practice till mid of year 2017. The reason? I was not feeling confident. The root cause of my lack of confidence was in curriculum shortcomings. As an industry professional, I was not aware about human psychology, how to develop business, how to acquire clients, and variety of the areas wherein you can become a successful life coach. When I contacted some master coaches, they guided me that Hemant, you must have acumen in emotional intelligence, behavioral intelligence, train the trainer, neurolinguistic programming, basics of human psychology, digital marketing and branding, and so on. Thereafter, I spent another 12 lakh rupees and 2.5 years in getting all these certifications and knowledge. Then only by the mid of year 2017, I started my own executive life coaching practice. That made me realize that in India, it is very difficult for a person to become a successful life coach by doing one or two certification programs. That was the reason I approached University of Mumbai, wherein we jointly developed a holistic master degree which necessarily develops you in 4 key domains of life coaching. Number 1 is life skills. Number 2 is development practical knowledge in 14 coach competencies. Number 3 is entrepreneurship and business development knowledge. And number 4 is coaching processes, tools and techniques related to executive coaching, business coaching, and relationship coaching. Also, I understood that only education and training is not enough. Any startup coach needs a hand holding, needs some assignment to launch his or her business, and that is the reason a global life coaching network has been created by Master My Life, which hands holds you in starting and launching your own life coaching practice. This particular ecosystem do not ask for any kind of renewal, any kind of additional investment, and provides you a lifelong support for you to become and flourish as a master life coach. So, let me give you the brief information on the world's highest qualification in emotional intelligence and life coaching. A great start of your Master Emotional Intelligence Life Coach journey. The salient features of this University of Mumbai's Master Coach program are: number one, it is world's first master degree which combines life skills, management and coaching know-how. It is endorsed by global master coaches from more than 20 countries, and wherein you can start your work or practice from the first month of you enrolling into the program. This is the first master degree which provides you 12 additional certificates valuing rupees 7.5 lakh rupees. Again, this is the first master degree in life coaching which provides you global assignment. You become a part of global coaching circles from the year 1 of you enrolling into this program. Also, MML supports you in launching your own coaching practice starting from business planning, your own website, branding, as well as know-how on client acquisition. The learning ecosystem is flexible in nature, wherein whether you are a working professional or entrepreneur or fresher, you can become a master coach in 14 months' time. You will be given a 24 by 7 access to a learning management portal wherein whatever is your time constraint, whether you want to learn in morning, afternoon, evening, night, it is possible for you. This is the photo of University of Mumbai certificate in Master of Emotional Intelligence and Life Coaching. And these are the 12 additional certificates I was talking about: cognitive neuroscience, emotional intelligence, NLP, marketing management, HRM, digital media, behavioral intelligence, fundamentals of finance, global cultural sensitivity, train the trainer, business acumen, and coach competency development. Let us dwell on which of your aspirations will be met when you will become a master life coach. Number one, it is a very fulfilling profession. You will self-actualize yourself when you become a master life coach. You get all the independence and financial security. You will control your own time. You will get the freedom. You can change your career path and you can manage the risk in your career because you will have a healthy, supplementary, consistent income. Life coaching is one of the highest income professions, and the respect what you get, the social recognition what you get when you become a master coach is unparalleled to any profession, and you will be in a position to create a social impact by developing and helping other human beings. While saying all this, you are going to excel in your existing profession when you become a master life coach because you become a holistic, wise human being when you become a master life coach. This Master Life Coach program of University of Mumbai has only 40 seats pan India, and right now only 10 seats are vacant. Program is going to start on 30th of October 2020, and during the period of 2nd November 2020 till 3rd week of December 2021, entire curriculum will be covered, enabling you to start your master coach practice from January 2022. If you want a employment assistant during the course of this particular program, you will be provided with our placement management consultant, our partner, Quotient Consultants from December 2020 onwards. If you have any financial constraint, understand that we, Master My Life ecosystem, is giving you scholarship earn while earn program wherein the fee which can be a maximum rupees 5.2 lakh rupees can be only rupees 1.5 lakh rupees for you. Additionally, you can get a 2.6 lakh rupees benefit if you win a 5-day challenge. All the information about this particular 5-day challenge will be provided to you during one-to-one counseling. If you get this particular benefit of 2.6 lakh rupees, practically this entire 2-year program which you can complete in 14 months time can be free of cost for you. If you are thinking about any time management issues, understand that this is a flexible learning 4.0 ecosystem which has been designed to suit the needs of each and every working professional. Now, what is the way ahead? Number one, book a call by sending a WhatsApp message to 93729 36961. I repeat, 93729 36961. Or alternatively, you can click on the link mastermylifeedu.com/career-call. Alternatively, you can visit website mastermylifeedu.com.